of the two different sets that are together. There's the first set, and let's take a look at, here's the second one. Wow, this is actually one of the coolest ones we've gotten yet. There's a lot of different sets that we've looked at on our channel. This one, I'd have to say this one's actually really, really cool. This has a drill with this super hard handle. We're going to take a look at all of these different tools, and let's take a look at them. Alright, so let's put that one to the side. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look at this one. Of course, we're going to start with the hammer. This one is actually really, really realistic. This is like a wooden handle. This one here. Alrighty, guys. So we got the hammer here, which is really realistic because, like I mentioned before, it looks like wood. And it's got the two sides. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. So let's take a look at our next tool. This, pop it out. This is a level, and a level actually measures how straight an object is. So let's show an example. This is a piece of wood. It came with the set. Wow, that's really realistic too. You can see that has like wood grains in it. That looks exactly like a real piece of wood. This is a really cool set. I didn't realize how cool. All right, so you take a level. And when you want to make sure that the wood that you're working with is even and it's not sideways, you have to use a level. And the level, see that little ball goes back and forth? Whenever something is leveled, that ball will be right in the middle. Right? So let's see if we can do that here. Oh, okay, see that's a little off. And then you get it to right to the point where it sits in the middle, and it's leveled. So that is a level. Alright, so we have our realistic looking piece of wood. Alright, remember this is plastic, but man, does that look so real. Look at the wood grains. Alright, so let's take a look at one of our screws. These screws will go right in to the wood. We can start it with our hands, right? But we have to finish it with, get our tool that we need.